Welcome! Today we'll be going through question 2 from the International Maths Competition 2002. 200 students participated in a mathematical contest. They had 6 problems to solve. It is known that each problem was correctly solved by at least 120 participants. Prove that there must be 2 participants such that every problem was solved by at least one of these 2 students. Please pause the video here and have a think about the problem on your own before proceeding to the hints and solutions. Hint number 1. Suppose that in a class, the average number of homeworks a student is given is 4.7. Then, because the number of homeworks is an integer, at least one person has 5 pieces of homework or more, and at least one person has 4 pieces of homework or less. This variant of the pigeonhole principle will be used to solve the problem. Hint number 2. Take 2 students at random. What is the probability that both students could not solve a certain problem? Hint number 3. What is the expected value of problems solved incorrectly by both of the 2 students? Hint number 4. How can you link hint number 3 back to hint number 1? Solution. Since for each problem there are at least 120 out of 200 solvers, the probability that a student does not solve a problem is 2/5, because 120 out of 200 is 3/5. So the probability that 2 students taken at random do not solve a certain problem is at most 2/5 squared, which is 4/25. So because there are 6 problems, the expected number of problems that 2 students both do not solve is 6 multiplied by 4 divided by 25, which is 24 divided by 25, which is less than 1. This means that taking 2 students randomly, the average number of problems solved incorrectly by both the students is 24 divided by 25. Now, since the number of problems solved incorrectly is an integer, we can find a pair of students who got no problems wrong. In other words, there must be a pair in which each problem was solved by at least one of the 2 students. This is what we needed to show, and hence we are done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to drop a comment in the comments down below, and see you next time.